Alright, first thing, we build is a classic Lego spaceship. Now for this we're going to need 3 blocks, preferably of the same color. And then first you place one halfway onto the other, like so, creating for a clearly capable Z piece. Then you take the third and expertly slip the first 2 onto the third one, right at the middle point, like so. You have a classic Lego spaceship. Now, next is a more intensive thing. You need to make the oversized, the major Lego spaceship. Now these require a lot of blocks, so I'm not going to do this one in one color. First of all, you need to take one block and place it like so over another. Then repeat the action until you have a sort of very short staircase. Then all you need to do is continue onto the right with the connection blocks and repeat the initial action over the staircase to create a block which is similar but greater in size to a normal block, as seen here. See, it is almost double the size in height and other spectrums. Now what you're going to want to do is take more blocks. I'm going to create 3 of the same block at least on a level, just for nice looking purposes, and repeat the action. The thing with these blocks is that they're going to be a little more fragile than your average block, but this is okay since they're going to be secured together with a lot of blocks. Now this is a very advanced spaceship. Well, not as advanced as some of the others we'll be creating today, but rather advanced nonetheless. See, I just made a blunder for, I was underestimating how difficult this is to craft. You need to, once again, there's another order you can create it in. You can create smaller staircases like this, push them together, and then connect them with glue blocks, although it's not clear which one takes more time, take a lot more experimenting. Now that you've got your expertly crafted blocks, you'll have to go through a very difficult process. Carefully and expertly connect these 2 blocks as you would a regular sized block. Carefully, very carefully I say, clip them together. You have to be cautious or you could crumble the whole thing in your hands. This entire build is quite difficult, so it's understandable if you can't handle it, but now carefully take the blue part. I've used coloration to make it easier to craft. Use the blue part right on this yellow part. Now it might take a couple of tries if you're not an expert, such as myself. I even mess up once or twice on occasion. I didn't mess up there, obviously. I was showing off how one would mess up to you. And there, you've got a fully formed, slightly larger Lego spaceship. These are quite commendable to craft, but, we do things. Now, for an even harder build, logarithmically so, what you'll need is just so many blocks. Now, what you're going to want to do is take 3 blocks of your choice and lay them together. Then, the next step, difficult, is to third block, connect 2 of them together. You have to be cautious about this next step. Place this vertical piece onto this block and finish it. So you'll have a small square and a small stack. Be careful, you don't want to mess this up. Take another block and connect these 2 blocks at the top. Do it once again on the other side. and finish it off. Now what you'll have noticed is that this is now completely unconnectable to anything else. And you'd be right. I've made a mistake. I can own up to it. I'm a sane man. You need to rearrange it like this. This is a very difficult build, so and even the pros make mistakes such as these, so you must forgive me. Now, what you're going to want to do is make sure that this extends out 6 lots of 2 blocks outwards. That, in a visualized term, should be this. This is how long it should be vertically. This is how long it should be horizontally. Now I'll need to fill this out completely. It's a difficult process. Only pros such as myself or those with a lot of practice can pull it off, but with the right training and the right mindset, it can in fact be done. But if you can't, don't worry about your own ability. Just enjoy the fact that you attempted something so bold. Now, once you complete building these parts, you need to finish it off with just a little bit of block placement. And there you are. A completely fully formed, slightly larger than average block. Now, you'll need more of these and fast if you want to create our third, final, and certainly most difficult piece. Now that we have increased light, feel comfortable in beginning the process. Now, there are many ways to in fact make this project. You just have to be careful with your building, or you could make mistakes. Now, mistakes are rare for those such as myself, but for new starters it is common. As you can see here, you need to make sure it's the exact right amount of length lengthways and upways. And make sure not to leave any gaps, such as if one filled in these slots like this, like a fool. But of course, as myself, I did not make any such mistakes, and I'm ready to continue with the project. Now, you must be careful, always, building, as the simplest mistakes could throw off your constructions. As you can see, in less competent builders' follies, then you can see that I am clearly a professional constructor. You must be cautious because often pieces will seem to be disconnected, but as a professional, I'm just invoking confusion in people's psyches, as we still have another layer, and thus another opportunity to connect them. Seems like something like this would make it more fragile and less sturdy, but this is just a good thing brought about by yourself. Blocks such as these are rather sturdy, but see how an uneducated one would think that they are less sturdy, I suppose. Now, what you need to learn is that building with Lego blocks is much more than a hobby. A Lego block isn't just a toy. It requires serious skill and mental concentration to manipulate blocks in the way that artisans like I do. but with the proper invocation, even the average person can attempt a construction like myself. Now, of course, although they will never quite reach the same level as one such as I, they still have their little trials, endearing certainly. As you can see, I'm not quite the video editor, I'm a blockmaster. One can't have two skills. Oh, at least I can't, it would be too dangerous for the universe. Block building is a difficult profession, and those like myself who go into it often receive backlash saying it's not that difficult and that I'm arrogant, but if you even take a glance at these constructions, you can clearly see that one like yourself could never do this. It's too much. As the final step, simply, or I say simply, it's simple for one such as myself, push the first onto the second, like so, one second onto the first. Then finally take the third and carefully, as done before but not on this difficulty, connect them together. As you can see,